That steam bun, delicious meat on the inside. You already know what it is. Siopao. And the best one in the world, I know, it's a bold statement, is in Vancouver, BC. But I came to this one because there's more parking, it's not as busy, but it's just as delicious. This is how confident I am that this is the best one. Now, I don't say that lightly because there's all kinds of foods, all kinds of people making it, and it's all over the world, okay? So in China, there's two different names, Char Shu Bao, Baozi. In Thailand, they call it Siopao. In Hawaii, and a lot of you viewers know this, Manapua. In Japan, they call it Nikuman. Lots of different ways to say Siopao, but it's universal. People love it everywhere, and I've tasted it everywhere. I used to go out of my way to find the best Nikuman or Siopao. People literally bring us boxes of this every time they're coming to our house if they live in Canada. There's just no competition for it. So let's go inside and try it out. The one in downtown, in their Chinatown area, same thing, Newtown, look for the yellow banner. Okay, even here there's a long line. In the one in Chinatown, it's even longer, it's crazier. Best Siopao in town, I'd argue, best Siopao in the world. See those giant steam baskets? Yes, they're filled with Siopao. And they're just steaming buns literally all day long. People buy these by the box full. This is what it looks like in a steam basket. These ones are super hot. So I believe the little dots on the top actually are a way they mark it so they know what's inside of it, because the bun itself looks the exact same as any of the other different fillings they have. Here in the front they have these all frozen. I'm assuming these are gonna be a little bit cheaper, or maybe people just prefer it frozen because it travels easier. The thing with Siopao is there's different fillings. We love the barbecue pork, but they also have a chicken one that has a piece of ham and some egg in it. That one's really good too. They even have sweet ones filled with custard. Let's see, minced pork and vegetable, beef, the chicken one. Chicken deluxe is called bola bola. That's the one that has chicken, pork, ham in it. Like there's egg inside of it. Spicy pork vegetable, Chinese sausage roll. I didn't even know they had all these. But asado Siopao, that's the one you're looking for. This is in Surrey, BC, which is about 20 minutes from downtown, maybe 30 minutes with traffic. The one in the Chinatown area of downtown Vancouver, it's way more fun. I don't know if it's the original location, but it's the one that I always went to. Now here, they don't just serve the steam buns, they have other foods too, like some sweet snacks. I'm gonna actually vlog it when I'm in front. Forgot they only take cash. Thank God I saw the sign before I had to wait to the front. All right, got the cash. I don't like to wait in lines. In fact, I'd rather just go eat something else, but this is how good this Siopao is. So I mentioned they have other things other than steam buns. They have the sticky rice dumplings with pork. Oh my gosh, these are great. I think these are wrapped in banana leaves. Heated up, so good. Steam cake, they got the moon cake, steamed sponge cake, coconut tarts, paletao, salty donuts, red bean donuts, cakes, more moon cakes, red bean cakes, sesame bowls, pineapple buns. Thank you. Look for the orange box. They wrap it up. These girls have been patiently waiting. Let's go eat, come on. So one thing that's interesting, it says Filipino, Pagkain Filipino. I don't know, is it owned by a Filipino family? There we go. I'm gonna show you why this Siopao is the best. If you've never had Siopao, there's always this piece of paper because they steam it and this kind of protects the bottom. Look at how it's steaming. This is fresh. This is super fresh. I'll show you. It's spongy. Oh, baby.
Why is it frozen?
Look at this. Siopao should be fluffy. The steam bun should just have an airiness to it. But most Siopaos don't have a lot of meat in it. And it's red meat. This one is not red, so it's not colored. Just straight up barbecue pork And the meat to bun ratio is much better. It's heavier than the average Siopao, which I personally prefer. So it makes it good. Oh my god. Sweet, yet savory, and it's not too sweet. Perfectly salted, a lot of flavor. I don't know, even the quality of their pork seems to be better. I don't know what they do. So good. Do you like it? What? She's just playing around. It's the best. Okay, I had to do it. I got the chicken deluxe. As I mentioned, the chicken deluxe has 2 little spots on it, so they know what's inside of it. I'm gonna show you what is so amazing about this one. It has some ham in it, got a chunk of pork, and so good too. When you wanna mix it up, see, I could easily eat 3 of these in one sitting. I'll be completely full. Or I could eat 1 of each, barbecue pork and this chicken deluxe. I never knew it was called chicken deluxe. I always just pull it the one with the egg inside of it. See that? They got the egg yolk right there. This makes it a full breakfast. Don't get me wrong, even though I call this the world's best, I can eat frozen Siopao from Costco. It's still good. If I go to any Chinatown, any Chinese bakery,
It's just good.
yeah, Siopao is just good. I'll try any Siopao. Chinese restaurants, obviously. Any country, any version. But if you're in Vancouver, BC, and you want the best, Newtown Bakery, they got you. The lady in front of us wanted another flavor, and she had already waited in line for a good 10-15 minutes. And that other flavor, she had to wait another 20 minutes, and she was willing to wait another 20 minutes because that's how good this is. I didn't really want to wait, so I just got barbecue pork, yeah. Barbecue pork is our favorite. All right, here we go. Those are the 2 branches. Go check them out. One's here in Surrey, the downtown Surrey area. Other one right in downtown Vancouver. I've never been to this one, actually. This tastes the exact same, so it doesn't matter where you go, even though I did have to wait. Sometimes the one in Chinatown is not only a long wait, it can kind of be crazy. I did forget to mention, if you want a quick bite to eat, they have delicious food here. For whatever reason, I recall one of our viewers from It's Judy's Life is from the family that owns this place. And if you look at the wall, there's a whole bunch of Filipino foods as options to order. And even there's snacks. I'm pretty sure this is owned by a Filipino family. Let me know in the comments. Someone once reached out to Judy on her vlog and said, hey, I'm a viewer. We thought that was pretty cool. I didn't want to assume you're Filipina, but now that I'm looking at it, I think it is. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. Here's the barbecue pork. So much meat filling. Thank you, but you should also apologize because you set the bar so high. Everything else is just to satisfy the craving, but it doesn't come close.
Yeah, this food is so good. It's my favorite food. It's like so delicious. I just can't even with how good it is. It's like so delicious. It's like I just want to eat it all the time. It's just, oh my gosh, it makes my head hurt how much it tastes so good.
It's the best thing ever. Daddy looks so good. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. It's delicious. I can't take it. How dare you take my water? That's my water, okay?
This is my water.
See you later. Try it. Newtown Bakery. They got 2 locations. It's worth the wait. It's a great gift to give to people, especially if you drive up here from Seattle. Everyone's always happy when you bring them. Newtown Bakery, Siopao. Get both flavors.